la 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 la. This is a fresh installation of Customer Insights Journey. So I'll start Customer Insights Journey. And this is the home page of Meadow Hill Council. It's my test environment, so we will practice on this. As you can see, the home page says Welcome to Real Time Journeys. Along with there is a plus button here that says Add Customer Insights Data. So this is how the UI looks like for Customer Insights Journeys here. And if you want to explore Customer Insights data, you can click here and configure. On the left hand side, you can see this burger button, which is called Sitemap. So you can click it and it will collapse, and you can click it again and it will expand. On the first here link here, you can see all the recent items that you have clicked, right? And if, for example, you want to pin any of the records here, you can do that. I want to pin Amanda's records. I'll just pin this. Here you can see all of your pinned or favorite records, and you can also remove from pin if you want. In the engagement group, you can see all of the records here, which is basically the sub area of get started, journeys, analytics, triggers. In journeys, you design all of the journeys based on the segment and triggers. In the analytics section, you review all of the dashboards, all of the analytics with respect to journeys and channel. You need to configure this first, and then you will see some sort of records here. This is the triggers sub-area. Here you can see view of all the triggers that comes pre-configured with Custom Insights journeys. These are ready to use triggers that can be used in any of the journeys you want. There are different type of triggers. Few are custom triggers, few are Dataverse triggers, and the rest are the standard triggers. You can configure triggers if you want and configure Power Automate in the backend as well. We will talk more on the triggers as we go. Then we have the segments, which is a very popular feature of Customer Insights journey. Segment is a container of all the contacts that have similar interest. So we will be configuring a couple of segments. And then we have the contacts sub area here that we have already seen. We also have leads where we can see all of the leads here. Then we have the consent center where we can see all of the consents of the contacts. We will talk in detail about the consents. Under channels group, you can see emails, forms, push notifications, text messages, more channels. These are all the channels that will be configured as we configure journeys. Under the assets group, we can see library, templates, content blocks. These are used to store digital assets like images, icons, logos, brand templates. All of these assets are stored here. And under my work, we have the activities. In Customer Insights journeys, if we change the area here, we will see event planning feature as well. So if I open event planning, we will see events, events registration, and event team members. So if any of the events are planned, it can be recorded here in Customer Insights journey, along with the registrations of the participants and team members who are helping with the logistics of the event. We can also store the data of the speakers who are speaking at the event and check-ins for the event as well. If the event is on premises or in any of the office buildings, the venue management can be used. We can have the building information, room information, and layout information as well. Layout information is primarily used to set up the table and the chairs for any of the council functions. Under logistics, we have event vendors. For example, if there is a council event and they want to have catering or food service, they would have some sort of event vendors. Then there is hotels, hotel room allocation, and hotel room reservation. Please note here that hotels cannot be booked directly from Customer Insights Journey. You have to create all the records manually. Or if there is any integration defined, then the data can be created using the integrations. And the last area we have the sponsorship management, where you can see the sponsorship records and the sponsorship articles records. Sometimes the event or the functions are sponsored by someone and they provide some sort of articles like books, magazines, coffee mugs, water bottles. So those can be stored in the sponsorship article areas. If we change the area here, we will also see a section of settings. All customer insights journey settings are managed here that we will talk in detail in the next videos.